Hi dear student, this is the cut section of model of the two-stroke petrol engine. The aim of the experiment to draw the Ford timing diagram of the single cylinder two-stroke petrol engine. Here the entire operations completed in one rotation of the crankshaft. And basically for the on rotation, all the operations need to be completed: suction, compression, power and exhaust. And in order to make it completing on rotation, here some operations is happening on the top of the piston. Suppose the suction is happening top of the piston, compression is happening bottom of the piston. So here the work of the engine, there are three ports are there. First we need to identify the ports. One exhaust port, another one is the inlet port, third one is the transfer port. You can see there. This is the exhaust port, you can see there. Okay. And this is the transfer port. And this is the inlet port. You can see there. Inlet port. So here one which is connected to the silencer. So this is the exhaust port. You can see there. This is the exhaust port, and you see the transfer port. You can see. This is the transfer port. This is the transfer port. There are two transfer ports which are diagonally opposite to each other. There are two transfer ports which are diagonally opposite to each other, which basically transfers the charge from the crankcase to the top of the piston. Inlet port is actually provided on the inside the crankcase is inlet port. So here it's a petrol engine. The air fuel mixture is supplied from carburetor. You need to mark inlet port opening and closing, then exhaust port opening and closing, then transfer port opening and closing. Okay, this is the pointer. With respect to the pointer, I need to first mark the TDC and BDC. I just rotate this flywheel when the piston reaches topmost position. I just marked the TDC here. See, TDC here. BDC would be diagonally opposite to this. Now I need mark to the inlet port opening and closing. Okay. If you are rotating this one, is a slot in that inlet port. You can see. when the slot begins to appear, so that is inlet port opening. Continue to rotate this. Now it started closing. See, now complete closed. Okay, see, now we started opening. Then note down the readings. Okay, now you can started opening, you can see. Then note down the readings. So now continue to rotate. Now it started closing. So now complete closed, you can see. Then take down the reading, note down the reading. Next I need to mark for exhaust port to open, then closing. Generally when the piston is at TDC, when it is coming down, first exhaust port to open. Okay, you can see that. Continue to rotate. See, now it's opened, exhaust port. Okay, then little later transfer port to open. Little later. So now you can take the readings for exhaust port to open, then continue to rotate. Then you can see here transfer port also opened. Then you can take the readings here. Next continue to rotate. After BDC, bottom of the center, after BDC, first transfer port closed. So now you can take the readings here, then continue to rotate. Then exhaust port also closed. Okay, so now note down the readings. So now it is completed. This is a minor experiment. You have to take 6 readings.